was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost and never answer when I hit your phone up. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It's the evening actually in a Grand Cayman. It's after 5 now. in this what's today now? Today what day again? Today is what? Oh, Monday. Tell people sometimes I forget what day it is, trust me. Well, today is Monday. Yeah, we're in a Grand Cayman. So today is a holiday. Today is Memorial Day in Grand Cayman. Yes, and I did work today. I came in early, come back early from morning and get some sleep. Just wake up and decided to go on the road, get some fresh air. And no place to get some fresh air like where? Like where, peeps? Right by the sea. That's the best place. With no human being to intervene and all that. Yeah. So we are on our way, peeps. I got 4-way. We're going to 4-way. A lot of people home, mostly Jamaican, that's why I'm playing music. Yeah. Over here says school bus and park. So yes, peeps, we got 4-way. Oh boy. Yeah, so I have to get up very, very, very early this morning, and trust me, peeps, I've been doing it from the other day and I work straight. I'm kind of tired. And yesterday the sun was hot. Yesterday was Sunday, and it was a very sunny day. Trust me, it was so sunny. Nothing funny about it. Yeah. But I thank God for the sun, because a lot of you guys in other countries getting the cold and more cold. You know, I have to put on all the clothes. You know, I can put on my marina. Sorry. Yeah, but sometimes we shouldn't have send me some of the snow on the island. Yeah, to cool down the temperature. But that's not how it works. So we soon reach a 4-way, peeps. We soon reach a 4-way. I could walk, but it's a good walk, roughly about 10 minutes or more walk. For walk easily. Yeah, but none of the walking mode then. So we're going right across there, so. And can believe, peeps, roughly about 2 years ago, I lost a drone lose connection over the sea, and that was it. I kind of panic and start pressing up the control, and then it goes, and then I lose control, peeps. You know, if you say, I don't know if I put it, I lose control or whatever, but you know, yes, the people out here enjoy the sunset. sun soon set too. So I go fly into the sunset, peeps. So, you know, nobody park here, so. Cayman is a place to see, peeps. If you don't know if you live here, you cuss all the time. Because a lot of these people are really messed up. Yeah, a lot of them people are messed up. But anyway, peeps, there. So, carry my drone with me to get some drone footage and thing at the sunset. Yeah. Yes, people. So you have to learn to live with people and chill. Live with them but not live with them, you know? Yeah. Yes, peeps. Live with them but not live with them. Really. Yeah. So see, the other day I come out here, so, and the sea was, the sun was all the way down, peeps. And see the sun come back. I mean, you couldn't walk onto the beach like this. To watch some videos, a long time video, it was all the way down, peeps. Yeah, it was a big, I mean, you couldn't just walk from the beach onto this ladder here. It was way down. I'm so way down, I mean way down. I wear my dirty slippers, peeps. I'm planning for wearing different slippers, you know. I'm slippers dirty, I want to wash. I'm put on the same slippers. Not to realize I'm put my foot in one slippers, which wasn't the one that I wanted to wear. So anyway, peeps, I take out the drone and fly and go up the road, so up there, showing up there, so from the sea, from the beach front and thing. Alright, this thing is within a Cayman. In Cayman, you mainly have public beach. Public have access to all the beaches. Can you believe that? You don't have to pay to use no beach. No beach property you have to pay to use. Only in our island, Jamaica, I see crap like that going on, where you have to be paying to use the beach. You have beach where you have to pay to go in. I mean, I say no beach at Cayman, but you have to pay to go in. None at all. None at all. It's all public beach, public access. Even those where the hotel there, you can walk on them same way. You get me I say? Yeah, there is no beach where really, I would say, fence off per se. Public have access to all beach. Yeah. And the public beach them nice and clean. So yes, peeps. And it's quiet, peaceful. Think of everything you can think about. It's that. It's very nice. So people come out and check out the sunset. More and more people come in to get the sunset. So peeps, yes, as it is so beautiful. It is very beautiful, isn't it? Do the sun beat now. Where are you now? I am in the Caribbean. Where are you? No, I'm not laughing at you because you're in the Caribbean. You should come and get some of the Caribbean. Some of the cool breeze, you know, peace and quiet. Man, it's nothing like this. No place like the Caribbean. It is just awesome peace. You know? Yeah. So I say, a lot of people would say, everybody have their choice still. And as I say, we have to agree to disagree. A lot of people prefer America and Canada and England, but the only place I see myself living is in the Caribbean. You might say, oh, we never travel and see certain places. Yeah, but no place like the Caribbean. The Caribbean is the place to be, peace. No place like the Caribbean. I'm not going to live nowhere else. I will visit whichever place else. Come on, visit Canada, England, you know, all the part of Caribbean countries. Yeah, but yeah, Cayman nice and Jamaica nice. Yeah, Jamaica have a little bit of chaotic niceness, you know. Jamaica is kinda, but I like chaotic vibes, and you know it does blend in like that. Cayman it does calm and quiet. So, you know, there's a time and place for everything, and yeah. But if you love the quietness and the calmness, Cayman is the place, sweet peeps. And if you love that little chaotic vibe there, Jamaica is the place. Yeah. So right now, I go fly the drone, as we say. The sun is about to set. What time now? The sun has set already. Like, oh, almost 6 o'clock. I'm gonna put up the drone, peeps, before sunset. Let me put up the bird before the sun sets. Watch it soon. Sun has set, peeps. So let me put up the bird before sunset. Let me put up this bird before the sun sets. There's the people just coming to the beach at this hour, peeps. People just coming to the beach. This is what it's like. People come with them alcohol and stuff. They just sit and drink. See? Sun just about going down. Look at that. What is more beautiful than that? Oops. What is more beautiful than that? That is beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, that is beautiful. Look at that. Say no one to drone footage. So we're gonna do just that. I'm gonna get just that. Look at that. Sun is going down. Isn't that beautiful? That is like so beautiful, peeps. Very beautiful. Very, 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 very beautiful. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Peeps, now we're about to take off the drone. Show you the beauty of the sea. It is so beautiful, peeps. Look at that. Nothing is as beautiful as that. Look at the beautiful sea now. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that, peeps. Look at that. Endless beauty. So beautiful. That is like awesome, peeps. All the way up to them boats there and thing. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Welcome to Grand Cayman. Welcome to Grand Cayman, peeps. Fly all the way up there. And then so we are coming right back, peeps. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Just beautiful, peeps. Let me come out back as I'm way in too much to the beach. Look at that, peeps. Look at that. Really? Look at that, peeps. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Like while I went a bit too low. Can't believe I went that low. One thing when I fly drone, you can't gaze. So yes, peeps, just fly the drone and get some beautiful shots. Yeah, and as you can see, the sun has set now. Yeah, long time now come out here, come watch a sunset. The sunset was beautiful. It was just spectacular. It always, and I mean, look at this. We can watch this every single day of the year. Yeah, I'm saying that's the beauty of living in the Caribbean. One of the beauties of living in the Caribbean. You can have sunset, watch the sunset almost every single day. Can you imagine that? That is just awesome. So I don't know about you, but I know about me. And I love that I have the opportunity of living in the Caribbean. It is just spectacular. You get what I'm saying? I love it. I really love it. All of this. This is just priceless. Money can't buy this. No amount of money can buy this. No amount of money can buy. No matter how you're rich, you can't buy this. You can't buy the sea. You can't buy the sea. Oh, go on. Thing good? Yes, sir. So you have in there? You have in there? That's all? You know I go on good, man. Shut it there. Shut it there. I didn't know. I didn't know. Because I enjoy the sunset, you know? Problem. Oh boy. So everybody come to enjoy the sunset, please. Everybody coming to enjoy the sunset, but sunset already, and then when the sun sets, then everybody goes home. The beach kind of get empty. Yeah, but quite a few people still out there staying here, peeps. Quite a few. Alright. Yeah? Oh, you miss the sunset. If I wait till tomorrow. What you say, enjoy sunset every day? Well, that means I say prices. Money, no amount of money can't buy this. That's the only thing they can't buy. Yeah, you see it? Trouble. You see it? Alright. Yeah. Boy. Some people don't want to be on camera, so I'm not about to show them on camera. Please. The man say even though the sun set, the sun not set because there are some beautiful ladies sitting on the wall same way. And that's true. That is true. He says some beautiful ladies, if you look down there, so sit on the wall same way. So I say the sun set, but the sun still not set. So what you think? The sun set? Anyway, peeps, it's a wonderful pleasure that I have been out here. But guess what? I think I am going back home now. Yeah. Yeah, it was a wonderful feeling being out here, as me say. Just have to hold and wake up and decide to never get some of the fresh air. And what it is, nothing is more relaxing. Nothing is more relaxing than this. Nothing at all is more relaxing than this. You get me? I said that is the reason why when you come on to me, I always rather to be at restaurants where water there and stuff like that, because I enjoy it more than anything else. More than those riverway restaurants where close, in a closed area. Enclosed area, I feel more, you know, like me trap. But when I come out, I go to restaurants where outdoor, I always find it more, you know, more, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. I've just experienced it, not that I've experienced it for myself. It is just, you know, unexplainable. When you are out like this, go to a restaurant like this and you're looking straight into the ocean, you know, because if you have a choice of going to a restaurant that's in an enclosed area more than one that is closer to the beach and closer to the water, you know, you have to choose the one that, you know, outdoor settings like, trust me. And that's why even the Wharf restaurant will continue to be my favorite restaurant. It just something about it where, you know, just catch me. and I can't stop going there, and I will not stop going there. Just nice. The Wharf Restaurant. Big up on yourself, Wharf Restaurant. Yeah, and I know if you treat people to they have very, very, very good customer service. Yeah, so free advertisement for the Wharf Restaurant. Free advertisement. Alright, peeps. Look there, it's sunset and there's like some ray of sunlight. Like, if you look, I don't know if you can see it good in this. Because the sun is behind it. If it's behind the cloud, like, I'm gonna say behind the sea. Because the sea never ends. You get me? I say, then, you know, there's some ray of sunlight. I never think about it because the sun set here, but it gone another country. Like I say, it's shining in another country. So that show you that the world is actually spinning. You know? But this, I'm using phone to catch a piece of paper. I'm using phone. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about here. So you see the ray there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's the sunset. Yeah, look there. Sun gone right behind the cloud. And there's a ray, some ray right there. Like when you have some big event and you have the light there. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, it look good, but it's beautiful. Seeing it on the camera kind of completely different from seeing it in person. It's even more spectacular in person, please. And so I'm playing there too. I'm playing there, a plane coming into Cayman Island. Yeah, the plane is actually coming in. I guess imagine that. Even that plane, passenger, they must really full enjoy that beauty. Because them see they still can see the sun. But it's just awesome, peeps. Let me say awesome, I mean real awesome. It's almost dark now. Yeah, it's almost dark. So I think I'm gonna leave here now. Because as you know, I'm using my GoPro. And GoPro, in the night, unless you have light, I'll give you the best lighting. So, this was a small vlog this evening, peeps. Just come out here. And I couldn't just come and share it between me alone. I have to share it with you know. So thank you all for liking and sharing and subscribing. You get me I say, and supporting the movement. It's your boy Wolfire 777. So until next video, big up on yourself. Let me say, one fire, all fire, love what you do. Do what you love and do what. Do it to the best of your ability. Get me I say, peeps. So I'm gonna go head back home now. Peace out.
My body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said. Yeah, I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing